Hello, John Jurkovich here with Ask the Loan Guy and a Monday Mortgage Minute. My question today is with regards to mortgage interest rates. I get asked questions all the time. What's your 1-point rate, 0-point rate, no cost rate? What's this about rates, that about rates? And people seem quite fascinated about rates. However, I would probably be more fascinated about what's growing here in this wild beard I have. More fascinating. However, let me kind of just explain. And the one point I wanted to get across in this video is that the lowest mortgage rate is not always what's best for everyone's scenario. So let me just walk through kind of a little fake scenario here. I'm looking at purchasing a home for $250,000. I've got roughly 20% to put down, so I've got a $50,000 down payment. I'm looking for a new $200,000 loan. If I go and kind of look where pricing is at today, my 0-point rate today would be 4.125%, and that would get me a monthly payment of $969. And that may be something that works for me, maybe it doesn't. But in my scenario, I don't plan on being in the house but maybe 3 to 5 years max. I don't have a lot of money for a down payment. I can just barely come up with the down payment, so closing costs are going to be pretty tough. And the 4.125% sounds like a good rate. However, if I can look at that exact same scenario, if I take my interest rate up just 0.25% to 4.375%, I'm now getting a lender paid credit, or the lender can credit you back $2,400 right now. Your new payment would be $999, so your payment's $30 higher. However, what it saved you, you didn't have to now come out of pocket at closing with an additional $2,400. If I do a little bit of quick math, $2,400, see, divided by the $30 that I'm paying in a higher payment, it equals an 80-month break even. So if I divide that by 12, it's 6.7 years roughly. And I already said I didn't plan on staying in the house, but maybe 3 to 5 years. So in my particular situation, even though it's not the best interest rate, taking an interest rate of 4.375 would actually save me more money than taking the interest rate of 4.125. So my mortgage minute for you is, when you're out shopping for a rate on a new mortgage, always ask what's the 0-point rate? How far can I get down? If I was to pay 1 point and it took my rate from 4 1/8 to 3 1/8, that 1 point would be fantastic because I'm getting a lot of movement there. And by the same token, you can often take a slightly higher interest rate to decrease your closing costs. So the minute here is this, and the takeaway is, the best interest rate is not necessarily always the lowest. You have to look at your scenario, how long you plan on being in the home, and kind of your overall profile. If you have a mortgage expert, they should be able to walk you through all of these scenarios so you have a very good understanding of what all of those rates mean and how they impact you, and then you're allowed at that point to make the best decision for you and your family. If you have any questions, concerns, please email me at john@asktheloanguy.com. Or you can send me a comment here on Facebook, comments inside of YouTube. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to helping you with more minutes along the way. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.